Hey guys, I'm gonna show you all my paper animals. I haven't been posting. I have been posting shorts, but not YouTube videos. Okay, let's get started. Anyways, I have this journal thing. It says paper squishy. Paper squishy? Yeah, paper squishy. There's this crumbled looking paper, but it's not crumbled paper. So we got the Pillow series and the S'mores series. Oh my god, TV. Okay. So let's see what's in the Pillow series. So we got Rainbow Pillow.
So I had to be sure that what I made was the exact thing that I was going to need. I did not want to waste it. It was basically one chance for me to get it right. I had saplings, but I didn't know how long it would take to grow, and I didn't know if I'd survive the night. So I needed to make sure that I got this just right. So I started making stone tools, and when I started to mine, I realized, oh, it's a little different. What's that?
It's not so rising, but okay.
What is this?
So I did that one. I'm gonna do a different one. Let's see. Oh, I accidentally opened the S'mores series. Oops. Do not look at that. Yep. This is probably going to be a short video because I barely have any squishies. There's this rainbow cloud. I mean, not cloud. Oh my god. I'm really tired. We got this rainbow. Okay. That's it for the Pillow series. Oh my god. That's it for the Pillow series. To do the S'mores series, which is the one I have the most of. Wow. Okay, so first of all, we got this marshmallow that's on fire and it's kind of burnt. Okay. We got Fire. He's mean. Oh, that's a big hole. That is a big hole. That is a hole. This fella. We got a Hershey's chocolate bar, which is not even squishy because it's like that tiny. Oh yeah, we got this graham cracker. Oh, I'm holding him upside down. You can see his little face. I smile. Okay. That's all that's in here. I don't have packaging for these ones yet because some of them are not series. Because one of them are not series. There's this rainbow cake. I don't know what to do with it. I have this rainbow cake. Oh my god, it looks so big. I'm just waiting for the... Let's see.
There's something in... Did you see it? I'm just gonna close that up. Hold on. There's something in that cave. I don't know what it is.
I wait tables. But last week, I built a flood hospital. I stopped 1,000 attackers.
And a natural disaster.
Well, I go to school full-time, while I work full-time.
Greater the stronger you become.
The home you've always dreamed of is
this cake, the rainbow, the mouth, and then the eyes. It's really derpy.
Big guy, big goose. I'll miss you up there. So, I haven't been able to play this because number one, I've been in Korea. Number two, I just got back from Korea, and so I haven't had much
There's
time.
these two tortilla chips, which are my second. This one has salsa on him.
Literally, this is the only
This
thing
one
that-
has guacamole. I like them. I need to make a series for them because like I'll make more definitely, but like
I haven't seen any of
not
it,
right now.
but I know that he's going to goose real good. We're gonna give him the goose. You gotta blame it on the goose. That's my favorite thing. Amy showed me the remix of Lizzo's. Gotta blame it on the goose.
Anyways,
Extra home. Goose.
that's all for today. Bye.